are about to both set up our first Shopify subscription plan and kind of see how this works together. This is going to be my first time doing it, so I'm here to show y'all how we do it together. So customers will see this plan title. We're just going to call it monthly care package. Boom, purchase option title. Customers will see this on the storefront product page that has subscriptions. Subscribe and save. Boom. Yeah, I think that's a good start. So we're just gonna type in shirt, see what kind of shirt we get up in here. We gotta find something that's active. We'll just add 2 shirts, kind of see what happens. Offer, discount, percentage off, amount off, or a flat rate. So let's go with a flat rate. We want to charge $74 per month. So people they're getting delivery interval every month. So once a month, add option, or they can get it every 2 months. Let's just do that. And it's also $74 or yeah. Okay, so for example, we have, obviously we wouldn't sell these every 2 months, but say you're selling like a consumable product or something in that nature, just imagine that that's here. Or if this is like your monthly subscription product, imagine that's there and it's just one product. That's the flat rate you would do. So boom, save, okay, and subscription plan created. So go back over here, see what we have to do in these checkboxes. This is the good thing about Shopify, is they do give you a whole setup guide whenever something new launches. That way you know what's going on. If your existing subscription, okay, we don't have that, so we're just gonna mark it. Display subscriptions on your store. Install widget. Let's see what that looks like. Going down here. Add section, apps, subscription widget. All right. Subscription widget will only show on products app. Okay, so we need to go find this drive-in t-shirt. Boom, right there. All right, and here's our subscription widget. So let's move this on up right under our price. That way it is giving an offer immediately after. So it's actually, we need to have that below the buy button. Let's see here. All right, so imagine you're on mobile, you scroll down. You're like, oh, purchase options. I can save some money. One-time purchase or subscribe and save. Deliver every month, deliver every 2 months. Flat rate, $74. It could be good to just do, oh, that's weird. Okay, so now I'm understanding that you can't do a bundle. All right, so technically this isn't a discount, but this is just for, this is just for the video. So let's just leave that there. We'll save it, see what it does. All right, install widget, done. Allow buyers to manage their subscription, turn on subscription management. Go into the settings here. Let's see, where is that? No, turn on subscription management. All right, awesome. All right, so we've turned on to allow customers to manage their subscription. All right, so we'll submit that here. Customize notifications. Let's go here, view notifications. Decide which subscription notifications email you want to receive and which ones you want to send to your customers. Modify your emails for your customers. Alrighty, go here. Of course, put our email, all that good stuff, customer notifications, blah, blah. All right, so it looks like Shopify has went in and updated a little bit of this stuff because I do not remember it being like this before. So subscriptions, all right, so all this is automatically on. So they are, it looks like they're sending out a reminder. Let's see how many days in advance they're sending this out. So, boom. I don't know, it doesn't say how much or how far in advance they're sending this out, but they are sending out a subscription reminder. So you definitely want to, I think that it might be illegal to turn that off. But you should definitely go through here and see what these look like and edit them to your liking if you can or want to. Yeah, so that's kind of how turning on a subscription works for Shopify. It seems very easy. Of course, you have your contracts, which would be all the people that are signed up for your subscription, the plans, whatever you got going on here, and then settings. So number of retry attempts. All right, here's all the fun stuff. All right, so days between payment retry attempts. Number of retry attempts, we'll do 3. We'll do this, let's go even like quicker. We want that. We want to capture that money as quick as possible. Let's do every single day. Yeah, we want that to go up. We want max 10 retries, minimum 1, max 14 retries. All right. Yeah, I mean, we want that number to go up as we want to get their money as quick as possible. Cancel subscription, send notification, pause subscription. Oh yeah, see, we want to skip, and then that way it'll retry again the next month. You want to make sure that these people are paying you. You don't want to cancel it because then that just loses them. But if you try next month, you may be able to get their money. All right, subscription notifications, that's all down here. Subscription management's all right here. Yeah, I mean, that's setting up your subscriptions. So super easy. Yeah, let me know if you found this video helpful and what type of subscriptions you're setting up down below. If you have any questions or want to see anything else related to Shopify or owning a clothing brand, leave a like, comment, and put that down below. We're going to be setting up some subscriptions, so if you are looking out for NewBara, definitely go check out our website. We will have something up very shortly on a monthly plan that you can subscribe to, because we want to get working with this as soon as possible. Yeah, see you in the next video.